Chapter 9, Exercise 4, Part 7 of 10, Base Plate. Create a new file. Select Model Template. Enter the name, Base Plate. Store it in c07exr4 benchwise folder. Say OK. Create the sketch. Select the YZ plane. Draw a rectangle using center point option. Start from the origin. Enter the width 144 mm. Height 20 mm. And 0. Finish the sketch. Select extrude. Enter the start distance 0 and the end distance 6 mm. Okay. Now create the hole. Select countersunk hole. Enter the hole diameter 6.4, countersunk diameter 12.6, countersunk angle 90 degree. To specify the points, select the sketch section. Select this face for the sketching. Say OK. Now draw 2 points. Now start dimensioning. Edit this value to 10 mm. This dimension to 38 mm. We'll create the horizontal dimension. Edit this value to 70 mm. Edit the size to 10 mm. Finish the sketch. Normal to face. Depth limit through body. Boolean operation subtract. Say OK. Hide the sketches. Right click. Orient view to trimetry. Save the file. File. Close all parts. This completes Chapter 9, Exercise 4, Part 7 of 10, Base Plate.